Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself, Imran Khan Watanzar. So, my final write-up is about risk management in complex projects, strategies, and frameworks. So, this final write-up will be covering all the strategies and frameworks which is useful in the complex projects, as well as the different case studies and many more things about the complex projects. The key objective will be we will understand all these major problems or major risks which are occurred during the complex project. As I said before, my topic is about risk management in complex projects, strategies, and frameworks. So let's understand the risks. Risk is unpredictable events affecting project goals. So this is the definition as per the PMI, Project Management Institutions, which is a body of knowledge, 2012. What is the importance of the risk management? So proactive risk identification, we need to understand in the early stage risks, assessment, how we need to assess the risks, and important part, how to respond to the risks. So these are all the importance of risk management. So what happens with this, enhance execution efficiency, how we can execute our project successfully and response to the risks and success rate automatically. Key focus area, major risks in complex projects will be in detail checked in these slides. Uh, Project complexity challenges. What are the project complexity challenges are? Strategies and frameworks for managing risks. All major risks in complex projects are listed down. So there are so many, but these are the very famous. It happens mostly in the complex projects. Changing requirements, market customers needs, environments risks, dependencies risks, regulatory risks, communication risks, external risks, financial risks, scheduling risks, and black swan. Black swans and unforeseeable risks, unknown case. So it is a very dangerous. It is over beyond our control. So this is the last one I included as a major risk in complex projects. Understanding project complexity, difficulty to quantify due to human behavior, system behavior, and ambiguity. Complexity drivers are the extensive scope, advanced technology, drivers, stakeholders, regulatory environments, impact on risks, uncertainty increase, and predictability requiring adaptive strategies. Some famous case studies of risks in complex projects. The first one is Sydney Opera House, 10 years delayed with an extensive amount of overrun, 1,357%. The second one is the Baghdad Boston's delayed for 9 years with an extensive amount of overrun, cost overrun for 190%. So what are the key learnings? Importance of a tailored frameworks and stakeholders collaborations is highly required. Now coming to strategies for managing risks. The first one is proactive, focus on early on risk identification. The second one is risk identification and prioritization, use risk registers in Monte Carlo simulations. The third one is a stakeholder management and communication, which is use of effective communication, reduce misalignment with their respective examples like channel tunnel. The second one is NASA probabilistic risk assessment. The third one is Hong Kong International Airport. Some advanced risk strategies. The first one is scenario planning and simulation, which is successfully run by the Shell oil industry since 1960 with a huge success rate. The second one is adaptive risk management. The best example of this is on Ambo Highway project. Both advanced risk strategies are providing flexibility, iterative planning, continuous monitoring. Through this, you can successfully run your project and reduce the risk throughout your project. Last but not least, the frameworks for the risk management. PMI framework, which provide a step-by-step approach, in ideal for infrastructure projects like dams and highways. The second one is ISO 31000 framework, focus on adaptability and integration, and it's ideal for the enterprise level projects, example, IT rollout, global supply chains. The third one's Frames2 framework, uh, which is a very specific risk strategy tailored, uh, depends upon the project condition, so it works better in specific risks used for UK government in IT transformation projects. It is also used in most of the European Union projects. Summary remarks to sum up the whole write-up. The write-up emphasizes mostly on managing risks in complex projects through proactive strategies, adopted frameworks like PMI and ISO 31000, and the other one which is very famous, Prince2 in UK and European Union projects, and stakeholder collaboration. Key risks include scope changes throughout the complex projects, market shifts are another major risk, and unforeseen events. Mostly in unforeseen events, we can see technical risks mostly. So for this risk, tools like scenario planning, enhanced decision making, and resilience. So ensuring project success aim uncertainties. At the end, I would like to thank you for paying attention and watching with full concentration. Thank you so much.